Alright guys, so today we are going to be adding a backsplash, but a metal backsplash behind our stoves because we don't have one and we've already moved into our house. Okay, we moved in and haven't done the backsplash. This is motivation to get the backsplash done. Now for that backsplash, we're going to be using this Husky workbench top, which is actually all steel or aluminum, one of the two. And usually these fit in between two cabinets and whatnot, and they're used as a work surface, but we're going to be using it as a backsplash because it'll look great and it'll match these stoves. All right? Okay. Along with that, we're going to be adding a pot filler right to the middle of it that'll reach about 8 eyes here. You know what I'm saying? Joe knows what I'm saying. Anyway, added a new shutoff. That's that blue thing right there. Added a shutoff there for our new pot filler. We're about to dig into the wall that, you know, we never thought we'd dig into. Anyway, here we go. Alrighty, so we're just gonna cut a nice strip down the center. We're also going to just run the pipe against the wall right outside the side of the cabinet and up through in the wall. That's why we're cutting it out, because it'll be covered up with the backsplash, and all we have to do then is just come out right where pot filler to go. So. Alright, that is beautifully taken care of. As you can see, we're going to put the little mounting thing somewhere right up here. I don't know. We're just going to add a block here. We're going to add a block right there, so that we can mount this, you know, approximately right there at the right height and level. So, yes. And then we're gonna add a 2x4 from here all the way to that side so that we can sit this backsplash on. Got that thing done. We're now about to just drill through the side of our cabinet, it's our beautiful cabinetry, to put the pipe through. And then I might get a clamp, hold these in there, you know? Yes. So they don't shake around. All right. So, pipe in through the cabinet, beautiful. Couldn't have done better. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, no, we can shim that up on this side. What kind of system is that? Look at that. What kind of system do you have? That's good. It's alright, but if we need to get to this, we can get to this. Okay. But you don't put shark bite in the wall because I haven't tested it long enough. Anyway, let's Let's drill the hole in that thing. Alright, so we only have one of these, obviously, and so if we mess this up, Joe's gonna buy us a new one. Here we go. Well, I mean, we did some work to it, but yeah. This must go on just like so. Yeah. There we go. Alright, we have finished that up. That's beautiful, if you ask me. That's how you do it, in fact.
Take it off so
looks
you
quite
can have it.
grand. So, I'm gonna go get Mommy and see what she thinks about it.